Alright, unboxing air dam kit for a 52-inch deck. Air dam kit installation for a 100V 52-inch deck. We're going to show the installation of the actual air dam kit itself. Pretty simple kit, consists of 3 pieces, the right and left dams, and then plus the center dam. And we'll show this during the installation, but the outside dams, they are going to bolt on the bottom side of the deck weldment piece. So it's going to be on the bottom. It's not going to sit on top lip of the deck, just on the bottom. Once the right and left dams are tightened or just installed, probably want to just loosely secure the mounting hardware at first until all 3 pieces are installed, and then you can tighten down the hardware. The center dam, when it's installed, it will sit on top of the 2 outer. Most decks will already have pre-drilled holes. You see here, you'll have 3 on each side, there and then down there. Again, you will install the outer 2 air dams to the bottom or towards the outside. Alright, so here's a point to be made. So we got the outside air dams installed. Again, we're going on the bottom or the outside of the deck shell with the installation of those. Then the center dam in the hardware, there would have been 6 long and then 2 short. So the 2 short obviously are going to be for the installation of the center dam to the 2 outers, and again it's going to sit on top of the 2 outers, and then just run your hardware. Again, when we're installing these plates, just go ahead and just kind of hand tighten the plates. That way, if you need to shift or move them for alignment, then just like that. Alright, so all 3 air dams installed. You will go back and tighten all hardware.
Grasshopper, first to finish, built to last.